You also have the option of changing the formatting of your styles and setting it so that that is your default style. So if I wanted to change, let's say I wanted to change the heading style. So I would select heading 1, which is what this one is. And then I can change the font, the size, make it bold, italics, underlined, change the color, etc. So let's for now just change it to Comic Sans and then make it a bright pink. Now, if I wanted to make this the heading style for the whole document, I can go to this button, the styles box, and then go to heading 1, which is what this is, and then select update heading 1 to match. Now that will make all of heading 1s match this style. So if I scroll through my document, you can see they're now all bright pink and have Comic Sans. Now if you want to undo that, you can just go ahead and click undo, and it will change everything back. And it'll change the style back to what it was originally. So if I go to the different ones, you can see that it's no longer bright pink or Comic Sans. One thing to note is that if you change the normal text, it will change other elements of the document as well. So if I select the normal text, let's again change it to Comic Sans. Let's make it bright purple this time. So if I select that again, I can update the formatting for normal text. So I can do it this way again through the styles box, or I can go to this format button and then paragraph styles, and then go to the one that it is, which is normal text, and update your normal text to match. So as you can see, it has changed the headings to Comic Sans as well. So it updates different different styles within your document, and if these headings were the same color as your normal text, it would likely update those as well. But if, again, I'd like to change it, you can just hit undo a couple times and it'll bring your document right back to what it was originally. So that is just a couple different ways you can update the styles within your document and change them to how you'd like.